All right, let's talk about Temagami. So, Temagami, Temagami was tough. Temagami was a tough year where it just seemed like it was a backlash trip for us all around. We had 9 guys going up this year. We're heading back to tomorrow, which we had a great year at last year. And yeah, like I said, we had 9 guys, and just to make things kind of short and simple, we had 9 guys and 5 sleds. 2 didn't start up at the start because it was like minus 40, and with the wind chill is minus 40, and they're just older sleds, and it just turned out to not work out for us, which was really, really tough. It put us in a situation that we didn't want to be in, and we knew it was a risk. So that goes on. We get everything out to the camp, and we put a little bit too much pressure on another snowmobile and blew a belt and didn't have a replacement for it. So to get right to the point here, we had 2 sleds between 9 guys, and that just isn't good because we knew we needed to use these for towing stuff around, and we couldn't put too much pressure on them or we were going to lose more, which just wasn't an opportunity and wasn't an option. So yeah, we were just started off the trip on a difficult foot because all the plans we had kind of fell through. We were planning on going to Eileen Lake for a day trip. We were planning on bouncing around for Lakers and hit a ton of spots that I just jotted down and have confidence in, but needed a snowmobile to get there, and we weren't able to do that. So we once again were stuck in a situation like we were last year, where we had to be situated right around the camp, walking distance. And last year it panned out. We kind of hit it out a year where things were kind of progressing weather-wise. That made, I think, fish move up a little bit shallower. Where this year, I think we were just on the brink of it. It just was a little too early in the season. We had a little bit of a later winter, so it just didn't pan out where we caught as many fish there as we did last year. Which, you know what, it is all right. We worked through the conditions, and it was what it was. We ended up losing a couple fish. Pretty hilarious situation with Zach. He's gonna blame the knot on me that I tied a long time ago, but yeah, it was pretty funny. We had a good laugh between the 3 of us, so we'll roll that footage right now.
He must be just like darting in and out.
That's why I put a tube jig on. I'm gonna bring it up.
I got him over here.
Come on, Nate, he's on you. Come on, Nate. Come on, Nate. See that rod load up. Oh, Zach, he's come for you. He's come for you. Zach, he's come for you.
Going back.
I snapped off. What were you doing? What do you mean, what was I doing?
You that's what the
I snapped off, man.
Is it a fucking pike again?
Dude, you set the hook so hard on
Yeah,
that.
no shit.
It came out of your chair.
Wait till you watch the footage of that hook set.
It was like you're on a teeter-totter.
Dude, it was insane.
Yeah, I wanted it.
Oh my god.
Okay, so yeah, Zach claiming my knot. I'm claiming that he set the hook like Shrek had. I was holding on to his first fishing pole. Either way, we had a good laugh and it was all good. Another fish that we lost was our cousin Aaron, Hank. He had a Laker on at the time, and Aaron only really gets to go out fishing on this ice fishing trip, so he doesn't have as much experience when it comes to fighting a huge fish, and we think that he might have had a Temagami giant on. I zoomed it up onto the Lowrance that he was fishing off of, or the Garmin, and the line was just gigantic. He was in 70 feet of water, and it looked like a freaking beluga whale coming up, like he says. And he did as best he could, and it just happened that the fish got the best of him. He was working off of a walleye setup, so he did not have the leader that was able to handle this fish. So yeah, we'll roll the footage here. It's definitely heartbreaking, but it'll definitely get him coming back for some more, that's for sure.
Come on. Oh, God. Oh, he's taking her. Alright, alright. Let's get this out of here. Oh. Go, 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 go. She's a good one.
Okay, and the reason why you guys are probably here, you saw the thumbnail, and yeah, a 31-inch walleye ended up being 12.1 pounds. It's the biggest walleye we've ever caught ice fishing. It's probably weight-wise the biggest walleye we've caught in general. So yeah, it was it was absolutely insane. It was a long day, it was a long grind, and I think all of our expectations and hopes were starting to dwindle. And it just so happens, the old iFish Pro, it's always important to set up those extra lines, right? Separate yourself from your tent and get yourself out to a deeper point. We were situated on a flat, and I'll put up a little of the navionics here of where we were. We were sitting on this flat, and we were sitting just off of it, and then we put an iFish Pro that was just a little bit deeper off the basin, about 6-7 feet more. So if they were working those deeper channels around that shoal, then maybe they'd run into it. And it just so happens an absolute behemoth ran into our minnow, and yeah, the story unfolds. We'll let you guys see it. I got a little excited because we hadn't seen a fish all weekend. And yeah, I'm definitely going to get a little bit of some chirps into the comment section because I know 2 inches on a walleye is a major difference. But hey, can't hate my excitement. I was pumped for it. I was stoked for my brother, and it's definitely a fish we'll remember, so check it out.
Is that her right there, or is that, like, what are you doing? You're just going through old pictures?
Yeah, I just got tons of pictures of the
Fish?
Oh, it's right. It's on, it's on, it's on. Hit it, hit it, hit it. On. Let's go! This has been so long. What a grind. Holy moly.
It was just bent like.
Dude, we must have went down and just taken it.
I don't know what I'm on. How do I get the video?
I'm breathing so heavy.
How do I get the video?
Here, Nate, just come grab the camera. Come grab this one. Switch.
Oh, we're there. We're there. Here. Here, Zach. Come on, one sec. I'm breathing so heavy.
Dude, it seems like it's got weight.
It's heavy. There's leader.
Oh, two giant eye.
Make sure it goes through.
Big guy.
Make
Big
sure
guy.
it goes through.
No, here. Big guy. Big
Through?
guy. Yeah, big guy. Big guy. Big guy. Good big eye, dude. Big eye. Just a good, no, dude, zombie eye.
Okay, so warm it up.
Big eye. Come on.
How far is it? Why are you holding the line?
Dude, I'm trying to guide him up.
Okay.
I'm trying to guide him up. He's big. Oh, dude, he's so big. Oh my god! Oh my god,
Nathan.
Dude,
Look at
so
the melt on
No,
that.
Dude, he's so big.
That is huge.
Oh, dude, that's like 33 inches. Dude, that's like 33 inches. Dude, I'm not even joking you. That's like 33 inches. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, we're gonna bring this into the hut where it's warm, and there's a. We got our scale, or we got our. Oh my! I can't speak. Dude, that thing is like.
Should we try to get a?
We gotta get in the hut. We gotta get in the hut. Grab the camera. Grab the camera.
Go. All right, so I look out. We have seen literally nothing all day. I look out. I say flag, and they're all like, "You're kidding." I'm like, "No, flag." Go there. Nothing. Got hit by the wind. We set it up. I'm over there setting the other one up, and I look over, and the rod is just like going. So I grabbed it. It was Chase's turn, but hey. It's what it is, and this is honestly the biggest walleye I've ever seen in my entire life. Like I've never seen a walleye that big.
Dude, it's huge.
And it's absolutely giant.
Get on the board.
Oh my god. Oh my god, look at it. Set it down. Here, brace that out. 31. 31.
Look at the girth of that.
Oh my god, man. It's giant. Here, back her up a bit here.
Gotta be over 10, no?
Yeah, dude, that's like a 13-pound eye.
It's huge. We'll get a quick scale on it because I got it here.
Video?
I got camera, yeah.
Got video?
12. Just over 12.
12.1. Okay.
At this point in this video, you guys are probably thinking, what the heck is going on? This has been an absolute mess of a year. And this is a Backlash angling trip right now. We have 3 sleds down, number 5. We've lost a drone. We're sitting in here just contemplating if Temagami is even worth it anymore. And this is why. It is such a crazy game changer. 31-inch walleye, 12.1 pounds. 12.1 pounds. When this thing came out, I was about to poop my pants. It is insane.
She's got she's got life to her. She keeps kicking. We'll get let's get a quick picture.
We're gonna get a quick pic outside with this beautiful scenery, and then we're gonna get this amazing fish. I don't even care. I'm ready to bleep that out. This is an insane fish.
Okay, let's go get a quick picture. Look at that. Come on, girl.
Give her some time.
Yeah. Give her right in here. Oh, there she goes.
She just went?
Yeah.
She actually kicked?
Yeah, she kicked right out of my hand.
Oh, I was like, she's ready.
Yeah. She literally just kicked right out of my hand.
Boys. Let's go!
Yeah, no, she's gone. She kicked. I was holding her and she just went.
Oh, yeah. No, I was like, don't let her go. Oh, my God, man. What the hell?
Yeah, that keeps you coming back, that's for sure.
Oh, my God. That's insane.
I wanted to give it to you.
I hate you, but I don't hate you.
I know. But it was like bent. Like, what do you do?
Okay, so that's gonna wrap things up. It definitely wasn't the Temagami trip I had planned. I had notes, I had a set list, I had so much plans for this week, that weekend, and it all started with a drone going too high and into a tree, so I should have known that there was maybe a tumbleweed that was gonna take us down a couple pegs, and it just so happened it did. So always a great trip, never a dull moment. You always just gotta try to persevere, and that's what we did, and it panned out with an absolute world-class walleye, so can't complain too much. So yeah, we're gonna finish things off. Part of my plans was a brisket. We had a brisket dinner, and I got our cousin Jason to plan a bourbon around that, a bourbon cocktail around that. That was his choice. So I love the takes, so we're gonna finish things off with a little cocktail recipe for you guys to follow along with if you're ever interested in pairing a good drink with a brisket dinner. So thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. We're literally like that close to 1,000 subscribers. I think we got 15 to go. So be one of those people. Subscribe to us, get us to 1,000, and we'll catch you next time.
All right, so Chase asked me to come up with a drink that'll match the brisket that we're having tonight, the one that Hank did that looks awesome. So, Southern barbecue, brisket, right? So it's a little fatty. Look at that. That's beautiful. So you need something with that that's gonna complement that. You need something with a little citrus, a little nice, clean, fresh taste, but with deep undertones. So bourbon sours is what I came up with. So little Buffalo Trace bourbon. Can't go cheap on the bourbon. We're gonna do a shot of bourbon. We're gonna do about 3/4 of a shot of real lemon juice. Orange bitters, gotta be orange bitters. That's gonna be good 12 to anywhere you feel good dashes of orange bitters. Then maple syrup. Simple syrup isn't traditional. Canadianize this for maple syrup. We're putting a good little glob of maple syrup in that. We're gonna give that a good stir. That's pretty much most of the cocktail. That was all in on ice. To finish it off, candied sour cherries. We're gonna pull a couple of these out, get them on a toothpick in the drink, and then a good dollop of the cherry juice that goes with it. And that is how you elevate a bourbon sour.
Beautiful.
Wow.
There we go.
Thoughts?
Yeah.
Woo! Take a bite of that brisket.
Delicious.
Ooh.